Hello friends. In this video, we'll talk about few stocks which saw a huge jump in its stock price in today's trade. First company is Avenue Supermart, that is DMart. Company's stock price went up by 11.1% and closed in at 4011. Company's current market cap is 2.62 lakh crores and has a P of 97. It was trading at a P near 85, but since stock price have gone up in last few days, we could see P ratio getting improved to 97.27. And the major reason for this jump in its stock price is its positive Q3 update. A company gave its update after market closing yesterday, and the update is liked by market overall, and that has resulted into jump in its stock price went up as much as by 15%, but then there was a slight drop later which resulted into stock closing in at 11%. uh, However, there is not a consensus among brokerages. CLSA has an outperform rating on the stock with a price target of 5,360, which implies the potential upside of 48%, whereas Morgan Stanley has an underweight recommendation on the DMart stock with a target price of 3,702. As per them, the growth is weak and the trend will continue in future. So we can see that there has been a difference in opinion among different brokerages. If we talk about companies technicals, then company stock is trading within this range. It is following a trend line and has taken a trend line support several times in the past, and is taking a resistance near the top end of this channel. Current trading price of 4,000 is in between these two support and resistance points. Uh, Few more important levels to watch out for is 4,250. Company did take resistance near this level, and 4,500. It did take resistance near this level as well in 2023. And finally, 5,500 is an important level to watch out for. So, investors will have to see the actual results. Uh, Only the revenue was declared. However, they'll have to see how the margins are getting declared plus the profitability of this company. Uh, if we talk about its long term growth, then last 5 years sales CAGR is 20% and profit CAGR is 23%, which has come down recently. In the recent quarter, company has declared revenue of 17%. So these are few important growth numbers for this stock. Next stock which saw good jump in today's stock market trade is Tatva Chintan Pharma. Stock price went up by 6.47%. If we talk about this company, then it has a market cap of 2000, so it's a micro cap company, but still has a PE of 120. So PE is very high. Company is into chemical space. It has a diverse portfolio of structure directing agent, phase transfer catalyst, electrolyte salts for batteries, and pharma and agrochemical intermediate. So company is well diversified in that sense, since it provide electrolyte salt for batteries, which is getting used in EV. This stock is trading at a premium since EV sector is something which is looked up as a future driver for growth. However, company has not been able to deliver good profit numbers in recent quarters, and that has resulted into stock price going down. If we look at its technicals, then we could see a decreasing trend line. Company stock is taking support near this trend line. However, it is trying to take bottom at 810 levels. Uh, and stock price jumped from there, but we'll also have to be cautious since in the past also it did try and take support, but then it was broken down because of poor quarterly result. Same thing may repeat if company fails to deliver good quarterly numbers this time around also. Uh, Hence, quarterly result is something to watch out for. Next stock, which saw a good jump in its stock price, is RBZ Jewellers. Stock price went up by 5% and locked in at its upper circuit. This company also is a small cap, has a market cap of 870 crores and a PE of 32. Uh, we have seen that jewelers have done pretty well in the recent past. Earlier, there was a dominant player, Titan. Now also it is a dominant player, but other players are also giving tough competition. Kalyan Jewellers, RBZ, PNG are few of the companies which are giving good competition to Titan, and that is getting reflected in their stock price as well. If we talk about RBZ, then company has declared sales growth of 45% in the last 3 years and profit growth of 32% in last 3 years. So company is delivering good profit. Its P is also not very high. Titan is trading at a P near 90. So this stock is trading at a P which is lower than Titan. If we look at its technicals, then current trading price of 217 is near its resistance of 223. Stock did take support near 120 and since then has given good run up. Stock has almost doubled from those levels. And again, we'll have to see how quarterly results are declared. If they are as per or meets expectation, then we could see stock to even break out and continue its uptrend. Next stock which saw a good jump in its stock price is Premier Explosive. Stock price went up by 3.36% and closed in at 552. Company's market cap is 2000 crores and a PE of 122. Uh, Explosive manufacturers have done well in recent past because of government's focus on defense manufacturing. Premier Explosives and Solar Industries are the two companies, major ones, which are operating in this sector. Solar Industries has become a very big company now with a market cap of 88,000 crores. Relatively, Premier Explosive is a small player in that regard. However, it is important to note that growth numbers are not very good for Premier Explosives. 5 years sales CAGR is just 2% and profit CAGR is 19%. So consistency is something which is lacking in this company. However, there is a very high possibility of it is getting uh, improved in future since company has delivered good numbers in latest quarters. If we talk about technicals, then 410 is an important level for this stock. Company did take support near this level. Current trading price of 552 is above this level and is way below its recent top of around 900. If company delivers a decent quarterly result, then there is a possibility of stock claiming its near term high of 900. So these are few stocks which saw a good jump in today's market trade. Remember, friend, this video is only for the educational purpose and does not have any buy or sell recommendation. Kindly do your due diligence before investing in any stock. Thank you.